Hey guys, it is Thursday here in West Virginia, and this is kind of an unplanned video. I went to Walmart this morning and seen they put out some new M2 stuff. I was a little bit late, didn't get any chase pieces today. I did find the, hold on one second. I did find a Matchbox Super Chase. First Matchbox Super Chase this year since I've been back since March. So mark that in the books. And then I found another Skyline monster truck. These are pretty cool. So I went ahead and grabbed another one. Not sure if I'm going to keep it or sell it. But anyways, yeah, grabbed those. But when I was there searching for good stuff, chase stuff and things, I came across new M2 sets. I don't know. I wouldn't call these auto haulers anymore. I'm just going to call these 3-piece sets, as in the thumbnail picture I posted, because they're not auto haulers. Some of them aren't even truck and trailer sets, such as the first one that we're going to take a look at. This Volkswagen set. This is a really cool set, though. This is a 1960 VW double cab truck. It is the USA model. And what they did here, they took the pre-resto, like project in progress, put it there, then halfway through resto in like a gray primer and put it there, and then the finished product. That is kind of cool. I picked it up because I want the resto model. I want to put it in my diorama, so I'm just going to sell these other two individually. So if you guys are VW fans and you want the fully restored VW double cab pickup or the partially restored double cab pickup, let me know in the comments, or follow the link to my eBay channel, or eBay store, I should say. They will be listed there sometime later today. But if you want to save tax money and other things, message me on IG, same name, Ron's Muscle Car Diecast. But as I said, I just bought it to keep this double cab pre-resto. So as I mentioned, though, these are no longer auto haulers. These would just be Auto World 3-piece set. Just like the combis, I bought that set the other week with the Fanta. It had the red, orange, and purple. Just it's a 3-piece set. They've done that with, I think, Mustangs and square bodies also. And speaking of square bodies, this I picked up because I was debating on whether or not to keep it with the other Coca-Cola holiday square body I'd gotten. I really don't think I'm going to. So this I'm going to sell as like a complete set for 25 bucks. If anybody wants it, message me in the comments or on IG. If I post it on eBay, it'll probably be 30 bucks to cover the charges and such that they put on me. But if not, I may just return it to the store too. Because once I got home, I decided I'm probably not going to keep this. And did you guys know that when you buy these Coke sets, they're 23 bucks? They're not the 1888. And even some of these box sets or auto haulers they once were referred to are also 1997. There's like 3 different levels of prices at my Walmart: 1888, 1997, and I think there was the 21.97 or 22.97 for the Coca-Cola stuff. It's crazy. But you got your square body. It's a 73 Chevy Cheyenne, and then you have a 1957 Chevy sedan delivery in the enclosed trailer, which is probably a pretty cool looking piece too. And it is done in the original Coca-Cola red and with the white lettering. Everything corresponds well. This is one of the nicer Coca-Cola sets I've seen in a while. Then last but not least is another set I picked up just for one piece. It was for the project in progress Mustang. That I do dig. That I will take off the trailer and put in my set, not my set, but my display of the old barn with the other resto projects. But the Ford F-100 will be for sale, and the open trailer will be for sale. And I'll post them later on eBay and on IG, possibly, with their individual prices. So yeah, I'm trying to build a little display with that old barn that I have with some resto projects like I had when I was living in the Philippines a couple years back. So I'm trying to accumulate some project cars and put there. So yeah, this one will go there. The Volkswagen will go there. And I think I have 2 Mopars and I have an El Camino from Johnny Lightning that I have to unbox for you guys. We'll probably do it later next week. So as I said, some of these pieces will be for sale. The Coca-Cola will be a complete set in the display case. The truck will be loose. The trailer will be loose. And then you have the 2 Volkswagens that will be loose if anybody is interested. So, there will be your loose pieces. Your post-resto, mid-term resto, the F100, the trailer, and then the complete Coca-Cola, Cheyenne, and 57 delivery set. So, that's it for this video, guys. As I said, it was just a quickie to show you guys some new 3-piece sets. No longer auto haulers, in my opinion. So, the 3-piece sets that were available at my local Walmart. You may find them at yours, too. Not sure if these are new or old or where they fall into place here. But anyways, we'll be back again tomorrow. I have a Free It Friday video for you guys in store. It is the mystery models for 2023 Series 3, and it's the 3 chase pieces, or the 1 chase and the 2 hard to finds. I don't know what they're calling it nowadays, but we'll do a video on that for you tomorrow. So thanks for watching this, and I will see you tomorrow.